Cardinal circuit, video of a ERSA Versaflow single pot selective solder machine. Got the software up, which is ERSA Soft 2.2 for Versaflow, running Windows 98. Overhead convection on both the IR preheat and solder pot area. IR preheat module, which we just saw a few seconds ago, and right now with the IR preheat turning on, keeping the set temperature. Fully adjustable selective solder pot, currently indexing on the X and Y values. Then we'll come back, homing position. That's the IR preheat, just keeping temp. Adjustable in the X, Y, and Z directions on that pot. Capable of lead and lead-free operation. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit our website, cardinalcircuit.com, or call us. Thank you.